So welcome back. In this previous video that I'm showing here, I failed to run Windows XP and 98. Here I'm showing trying to install Windows 98, but it failed in both ways. So no, there is no audio because the capture card had many noise, a loud noise from the uh, PS2 because it's an analog video output. So here it comes to a loop, the booting of Windows 98. So then I will install Linux on it. A damn small Linux. It's a small size Linux from 2003. I choose the 2003 version to work with this PlayStation. But here still the video in loop. So I put it instead of cut it because it's not very much time is in loop. So here I said, do you recommend another OS for this PlayStation? So subscribe. I said that I will from here I'll go uh, to the capture card. I, now we are in the capture card. I press to enter the browser. I press X on the controller, and I enter again using the X on the controller. It's loading. 2 times back to go to the V launcher ELF. This is not a tutorial video, but I'm showing how to make it. To be fair, this is a modded PS2. So here I'm running the, let's say, a virtual machine for this PS2. Now it's loading, it's booting to the installer of the OS. It's very slow because the processor is on and slow on this PlayStation 2. So it cannot very much handle big processes. So here it's gonna ask me for to boot. So I did this command to force the graphics to go lower and the RAM go lower, but it doesn't work. But anyways, it booted. It takes some time, but it is booting. And now hit little glitch. And I press enter as then I write a scan to launch the live desktop. It's not a full install, it's a live desktop only, but it's in monochrome because the graphics is very low, it's VRAM, and the RAM is very low, and the processor is very old. So subscribe for other videos like this.